Creative U is a 2-year programme for young people based in Washington, led by Sunderland Culture in partnership with Washington Mind and funded by Sunderland City Council's Washington Area Committee. It's a 2-year programme for young people ages 11 to 19 and gives access to high quality arts and culture. It also supports their mental health and well-being. The project is about supporting their stories. We have 4 weekly groups that we run as part of Creative U. We have young writers based out of Washington Library, young filmmakers group based at the Millennium Centre. Also based out of here, we have our Creative U Arts for Wellbeing group and our Bright Lights Young Artists Collective as well.
So there's been a youth arts exhibition at Arts Centre Washington for over 25 years, but more recently we've called it the Bright Lights Youth Arts Exhibition. And last year we decided to celebrate all the different art forms that go on in Arts Centre Washington. We'd have our very first Bright Lights Youth Arts Festival. We had performances by Washington Youth Theatre and Right Track Young Musicians Project, as well as a film screening and a whole host of free workshops for young people aged 11 to 19. This year, thanks to the Creative U project, we've been able to expand the festival even further with more free workshops for young people, including showcasing some of the young people's work who take part in our regular Creative U programme.
Getting other people to actually see your work, it's something that I've never really had before apart from like school. Somewhere else where there's like people that are experienced and like other people that do that stuff.
Like I used to be scared of speaking in front of like more than 2 people that I know, and now I'm comfortable with speaking to a larger group of people that I haven't spoke to before, and I definitely feel more confident in a lot of different things. Yeah, it's made my dream even stronger.
The event tonight's absolutely amazing. I think we're so privileged in Washington to have so many clever young people who can produce this work and to the high scale they have as well. It's fabulous.
It's been fantastic to see the creativity of the young people during Creative U, and especially this week we saw plenty of new faces and old faces taking part in all the workshops, and yeah, the result's really fantastic.